Welcome to Bright Ethiopia Tutorial, the ultimate learning hub for undergraduate and postgraduate students in Ethiopia and beyond. We provide clear, practical, and research-related lessons in business management, leadership, and academic research skills to help you excel in your studies and career. Whether you're preparing for class, writing your thesis, or building your professional edge, our content is designed to make complex concepts simple and applicable. In addition to empower students, our mission is to provide entrepreneurs and professionals with clear, engaging, and actionable lessons tailored for the Ethiopian context and beyond. From mastering business management strategies to developing strong leadership qualities and conducting effective research, we bring you insights that inspire growth and drive results. Subscribe now and start your journey toward brighter opportunities with Bright Ethiopia Tutorial.